And today we are going to see about lesson 6, like grammar 2, that is sixth lesson grammar part 2. Let's see the content, that is today's content. First one is le futur proche, it means near to the future. And l'adverb means what? Adverb. And third one, le pronom means what? Pronouns only. Let's see the first content. First is what? Le futur proche. Futur proche means what? It is near to the future. It means what? An action is going to happening soon. So that is the definition for that. Let's see. Le futur proche, also known as le futur composé, and it is used to talk about an action in the near future, and it corresponds to the English structure. So what is the English structure in English? Going to plus infinitive verb. Infinitive verb means what? A verb without conjugation is called what? Infinitive verb, and emphasis that there is an already an action, already intention behind the action. So an action is behind in that sentence, and for these two purposes only we are using this future proche. So what are the two purposes? One is to talk about an action that will take place shortly. See the example. Christine va partir dans 2 secondes. So it means Christine is going to leave in 2 seconds. So here is going to leave, it refers to what? That is future proche. In 2 seconds the action took place shortly. And second, to talk about a planned action in the near future. See the example. Elle va aller au supermarché. It means she is going to the supermarket. So this is a planned action, that is she is going to the supermarket is a planned action. For these two purposes only we use the future proche. What is the first one? To talk about an action that will take place shortly, and second, to talk about a planned action that's near to the future. And let's see the formation for the future proche. First one, aller verb. What is the aller verb conjugation in present tense? Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. This is the conjugation in present tense. And meaning of this verb, je vais means I am going to, and tu vas, you are going to, il va, he is going to, elle va, she is going to, nous allons, we are going to, vous allez, you are going to, ils vont, they are going to, elles vont, they are going to, and plus infinitive verb. Infinitive verb means what? A verb without conjugation is called what? Infinitive verb. And these are the infinitive verbs. So first one is what? Jouer. Jouer means what? To play. So it means je vais jouer means what? I am going to play. And second, parler. Parler means what? To speak. And third, manger. Manger means what? To eat. And fourth is lire verb. Lire means to read. And fifth is dormir. Dormir means to sleep. So these are called what? Infinitive verb. So these are the example, and this is the formation. And what is the formation for the future proche? Aller verb conjugation in present tense plus infinitive verb. And let's see the conjugation for that. Verb conjugation. You take a boire verb. Boire means what? To drink. So this is the infinitive verb. And what is the formation for that? First you have to conjugate the aller verb conjugation. So these are the aller verb conjugation. So je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. And plus you have to write the infinitive verb. So infinitive verb is what? Boire. So je vais boire, it means what? I am going to drink. Tu vas boire, you are going to drink. Il va boire, he is going to drink. Elle va boire, she is going to drink. Nous allons boire, we are going to drink. Vous allez boire, you are going to drink. Ils vont boire, they are going to drink. Elles vont boire, they are going to drink. So this is the conjugation for future proche. And let's see the exercise. First one, mettez les verbes au futur proche. So make the verbs in future, that is near future. First one, je annoncier le résultat de l'examen. So here the verb is what? Annoncier. Annoncier means what? To announce. It means I announce the exams results. So when you change into the future prosh, I'm going to announce the exams results. So I am going to. So here a verb conjugation is what? Vais, and this is the infinitive verb. So the answer, je vais annoncer le résultat de l'examen. It means I'm going to announce the exams results. And second, vous ne pas jouer au football maintenant. So here the verb is what? Jouer. Jouer means what? To play. So here the sentence is what? Negative. So for that case, you have to use ne before the aller verb conjugation and pas after the aller verb conjugation. So here, you not play the football now. So when you change into the future prosh, you are you are not going to play the football now. So here the sentence is negative. Now it is used before the aller verb conjugation and pas it is used after the aller verb conjugation, and plus infinitive the verb is what? Jouer. So you are not going to play the football now. And third one, le directeur de l'école arrive tout à l'heure. So here le directeur de l'école means what? Principal, that is school principal, and the verb is what? Arrive. Arrive means what? To arrive, and tout à l'heure means what? Later. So the director of school arrive later. So when you change into the future prosh, the director of the school is going to arrive later. So here you have to conjugate the verb aller verb because the subject is masculine. For that you can use va and arrive, it's a infinitive verb. And next D1, nous ne pas repasser les chemises. Here, nous repasser means what? Iron. Les chemises means shirt. So here also the sentence is negative. So the answer is what? Nous and ado for nous subject, that is aller verb conjugation, and pas, these are the negative word, and ne it is used before the aller verb conjugation and pas it is used after the aller verb conjugation, and repasser it is here infinitive verb les chemises. It means what? We are not going to iron the shirts. And fifth one, nous visiter le musée dans 10 minutes. So here the verb is what? Visiter. Visiter means what? To visit. So when you change it into the future proche, allons visiter. So nous allons visiter le musée dans 10 minutes. It means we are going to visit the museum in 10 minutes. So this is the first exercise which is based on your future proche. And you have one more exercise also. Répondez librement aux questions of future proche. It means answer the question freely with future that is near future. And first question, qu'est-ce que vous faites cet après-midi? So what are you doing this afternoon? So the answer is what? Je vais dormir cet après-midi. So I am going to sleep in this afternoon. And second, est-ce que menu revient maintenant? So is menu coming now? So the answer, you have to write the affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence is what? Positive. So here, oui, menu va revenir maintenant. So it means what? Yes, menu is going to come back now. And C, quand l'avion attire-t-il? So when does the plane land? L'avion, and this is the subject, l'avion va attirer. So here attirer verb, it's a infinitive verb. So l'avion va attirer dans 5 minutes. So the plane is going to land in 5 minutes. And even, est-ce que les garçons téléphonent à les amis? So is the boys are called to their friends? So you have to write the sentence in affirmative. Affirmative, positive. So we, instead of that les garçons, you have to change the subject il, because les garçons it's a masculine plural. So that the subject is what? Il, plural. Won't téléphoner à leur ami. It means what? Yes, they are going to telephone to their friends. And even, Mama prépare-t-elle un plat français aujourd'hui? It means what? Mummy is going to prepare a French dish today. And the answer, oui, elle va préparer un plat français aujourd'hui. It means what? Yes, she is going to prepare a French dish today. And this is the second exercise which is based on your with your prosh. You have to answer with the near to the future only. And move to the second content. Second is what? Let verb. Let verb means what? Adverbs only. So why we are using these adverbs? So instead of adjectives only. So adjectives tells something about a person, thing. So adverbs also like that only. So in English, many adverbs ends with ly. So in English, so most of the word it ends with what? Ly only. See the example: quickly and slowly. So quickly it ends with what? Ly, and slowly it ends with what? Ly only. And to form, how to form the adverbs in French? So to form adverb in French, take the feminine form. So you have to take the noun that you have to change into feminine. Sorry, you have to take the adjective that you have to change into feminine form and add ment. And see the example: serio. Serio means what? Serious. And you have to change into feminine form, serious. After that you have to add ment. Seriousmo. Seriousmo, it's a seriously. And adverbs in French are usually placed directly after the verb. So where we have to place the adverb means, so you have to place after the verb only. So here le travaillons, it's a verb. You have to place the adverb after the verb only. So it means les élèves travaillent sérieusement. It means what? The students works seriously. And how to form the adverb? Some set of rules when you are forming the adverbs. Let's see. Formation des adverbes en ment. So the nombre d'adverbes terminant par le suffixe ment sont formés à partir des adjectifs qualificatifs. So most of the adjective first rule is what? So you have to take the adjective and you change it to the feminine form and then add ment. So that is the first thing. First one, si l'adjectif se termine par un consonne, le mat of feminine and ajoute suffixe ment. So if the adjective ends with consonant, you have to change into feminine form and add ment. See the example: fourth. Fourth means what? Strong. That you have to change into feminine form, fourth e, and you have to add ment. Fourthmo. Fourthmo means what? Strongly. And ancient, you have to change into feminine form, ancient, and ancientmo. And weave, and this is the feminine form because this is the exceptional one, and vivemo. And franc, and this is feminine form, franche and franchement. And second rule is, si l'adjectif terminant par vin voyal, on ajoute le suffix mo ment only. So if the adjective ends with vowel, so you have to add ment only. So you should not change into the feminine form. So you have to directly add ment. So vrai, it means what? True. And the adverb is what? Vremo, it means what? Truly. And sage, sagemo, it ends with what? Vowel. So you have to add ment. And some exceptions are there: gentil, gentiment. So these are the exceptional adverbs that you have to by heart yourself only. And gay, gaymo, profondo, profundamo, assudo, assudamo. And next, si l'adjective termine par ant. So if the adjective ends with ant and the suffix, what are the endings for that? ment. So brilliant, it ends with what? ant. And what is the adverb for that? ament. And next, si l'adjective termine par ent and remplace ent le suffix ement. So if the verb ends with ent, so what is the endings for that? ment. So this is the formation for the adverbs. And let's see the exercise. Transposer les adjectifs, donner an adverb. So you have to transform the adjectives in the adverbs. First one, je vais dash dans un petit restaurant. So here the adjective is what? Fréquent. Fréquent means what? Frequent only. So when you change it to the adverb, frequently. So here you have to change into the feminine form, e, after that, and you have to add ment. Sorry, here the adjective ends with what? Ent, that I have told already in the before slide. If the adjective ends with ent, so what is the endings for that adverb? ement. So fréquemment. So je vais fréquemment dans un petit restaurant. So I frequently go to a small restaurant. And second, il parle français courant. Here the adjective ends with what? ant. So if the adjective ends with ant, so what is the adverb ending? ament. So il parle couramment. Courant means what? Fluently. So he speaks French fluently. And dash tous les plats sont des spécialités françaises. So here natural means what? Natural. So here the verb adjective ends with what? El. So if the adjective ends with el, so what is the endings means? ELLEMENT. So these are the one of the rule you have to note. Okay, so naturellement tous les plats sont des spécialités françaises. So naturally all the dishes are French specialties. And even sa cuisine est dash delicious. So here vrai means what? Really or truly. Okay, so if the adjective ends with I, so you have to add yummy and t only. So vraiment. So the answer is what? Sa cuisine est vraiment delicious. It means what? His food is really delicious. And even il est dash ravi de rencontrer ses camarades de classe. Here absolute means what? Absolute only. So this you have to use ment only, because this adjective ends with what? Vowel. So if the adjective ends with vowel, so you have to add ment only. So the answer is what? Il est absolument ravi de rencontrer ses camarades de classe. So he is absolutely delighted to meet his classmates. So meet his classmates. So these are the exercise which is based on the adverbs only. And move to the third one. What is the third? Le pronom. Le pronom means what? Le pronom complement d'objet direct, that is direct object pronoun. So when we have to use, let's see the definition. A direct object is a person or thing that receive the action of the verb. So that a direct object is a person or a thing, and what it receive? It receive the action of the verb. And see the example. Ils achètent le gâteau. It means what? They buy the cake. And these are the direct object pronoun. And direct object can be a noun or pronoun. It can be a noun or it can be a pronoun. And to avoid, so for what is the purpose of this? To avoid the repetition. So direct objects can be replaced by direct object pronouns only. So it can be replaced by the direct object pronouns. So what are the direct object pronouns? Me, te, le, la, nous, vous, les. So these are called what? Direct object pronoun. And what is the meaning of me? Me means what? Me. And te, you, it is used for the singular. And le, it means what? Him. And la, her. Nous, us, vous, you. And les means what? Them. So these are called what? Direct object pronoun. So in English, where we have to place the direct object pronoun? After the verb only. In French, you have to use before the verb. Where does it go in a sentence? So direct object pronoun, let's see. First one, it always goes before the verb. So where it has to be placed? It has to be placed before the verb only. See the example. Je regarde la télé. So here direct object is what? La télé. La télé means what? Television. So here instead of this la télé, you can use the pronoun la. It means what? Je la regarde. It means what? I watch it. So what is the English meaning for je regarde la télé? So I watch the TV. So when you change into the direct object pronoun, je la regarde, it means what? I watch it. So instead of this television, you can use this pronoun it. And second, je porte un t-shirt. It means what? I wear a t-shirt. So here the object pronoun is what? T-shirt. So instead of that, you can use the pronoun le, because the noun is what? Masculine. So for that, you can use le. So je le porte, it means what? I wear it. And third one, je vois mes grands-parents. So I see my grandparents. So here the object is what, plural, so that you can use the pronoun les. So je les vois, it means what, I see them. However, if the verb starts with vowel, here the verb begins with vowel, you can use, instead of le and la, you can use what, l apostrophe. And see the example, j'aime le chocolat, so I like the chocolate. When you change into the direct object pronoun, je l'aime, because the verb begins with what, vowel, so that you can use the pronoun what, l apostrophe. It means what, I like it. So that it is refers to what, the chocolate. So this is the direct object pronouns. What are the direct object pronouns? Ma, te, le, la, nu, vu, le. So these are called what, direct object pronoun. And you have uh, one exercise, remplacer les mots solides par des pronoms. So you have replace the word with the pronouns. First one, arrose les plants. It means what, watering to the plants. So when you change into the pronoun les plants, it's a direct object pronoun. So here you have to use the pronoun les, because the noun is what, plural. So for that you can use a les. So where we have to you place the pronoun before the verb only. So here there is no subject, so here verb only. So after the verb you can use arroser le. Arroser le means what, water them. And next, ne coupez pas les fruits, so don't cut the fruits. So here the object is what, les fruits, the noun is what, plural noun. For that you can use the pronoun les. So here the verb is what, couper. Couper means what, to cut. So before the verb only you have to use the pronoun. So ne le coupez pas, it means what, don't cut them. And sauter le gâteau au four, it means what, take out the cake from the oven. Four means what, oven. So here the uh, object is what, le gâteau. Le gâteau means what, cake. So here the noun is what, masculine noun. For that you can use the object, direct object pronoun le. So after the verb you can use, because they didn't mention any subject. So sortez le du four, it means what, take it out from the oven. And préparez tes examens sérieusement, so prepare your exam seriously. So here the object is what, tes examens. Tes examens means what, your exams. So here the noun is what, plural noun. For that you can use the direct object pronoun les. So prepare les sérieusement, so take them seriously. So them is refers to what, that they exam. And ne enlevez pas la poubelle maintenant, so do not take out the trash of now. So here la poubelle, it's a object pronoun. So la poubelle, it's a feminine noun. For that you can use the pronoun la. Here the verb begins with what, vowel, so that you can use l apostrophe. So ne l'enlevez pas maintenant, so don't take it off now. And these are the exercise which is based on your direct object pronoun. And I hope you all understand this video, and I'll give assessment which is based on your grammar topic. What are the today's content? One is about la future proche. Future proche means what, near to the future, and it is used when we talk about an action is going to happen soon. And what is the formation for that? Alley verb conjugation plus infinitive the verb. So what is the alley verb conjugation? Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont, plus infinitive the verb. This is the formation for future proche. And second one is what? Adverb. Adverb means what? Adverbs only. So it also used for place, things that instead of adjective we can use the adverbs. And for the formation for the adverbs is what, you have to change the adjective into feminine form. After that you have to add me and t. So these are the regular adverbs. And for irregular, it's some different rules and all that you have to read by yourself only. And third is le pronom. Le pronom means what, direct object pronoun. So direct object pronoun, it is used for place, things only. So what are the direct object pronoun? Me, te, le, la, nu, vu, le. So these are called what? Direct object pronoun. So this is all about our today's video. If you have any doubt, please refer this video again. And I hope you all understand this video. And thank you to all. Have a nice day. Messi. And I hope you all understand this video, and I'll give assessment which is based on your grammar topic. What are that today's content? One is about like future proche means what? Near to the future, and it is used when we talk about an action is going to happen soon. And what is the formation for that? Allay verb conjugation plus infinitive the verb. So what is the allay verb conjugation? Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont plus infinitive the verb. This is the formation for future proche. And second one is what? Let verb. Let verb means what? Adverbs only. So it also used for place, things that instead of adjective we can use the adverbs. And for the formation for the adverbs is what? You have to change the adjective into feminine form. After that you have to add me and t. So these are the regular adverbs, and for irregular it's some different rules and all that you have to read by yourself only. And third is le pronom. Le pronom means what? Direct object pronoun. So direct object pronoun, it is used for place, things only. So what are the direct object pronoun? Me, te, le, la, nu, vu, le. So these are called what? Direct object pronoun. So this is all about our today's video. If you have any doubt, please refer this video again. And I hope you all understand this video. And thank you to all. Have a nice day. Messi.